Welcome to this video where we will explore widgets, tools that provide extra features during a feedback session. To access widgets, click the widget button in the bottom right corner, and from the panel select the widget you'd like to use. First, let's take a look at the Notepad widget. This tool allows you to write general comments for the student receiving feedback. These comments are typically about broader aspects, for example advice on the structure of an activity rather than specific actions. In the lower part of the Notepad widget, you can write private notes for yourself as well. These will not be visible to students. It's even possible to lay out your text and add a list. This widget lets you give feedback suggestions, similar to how your students provide feedback. These suggestions will not appear as whispers to the feedback receiving student. If needed, you can forward them, just as you would do with your students' feedback. This widget allows you to monitor the feedback provided by your students. It's an effective way to assess their level of engagement during the session. There's also a widget that provides an overview of the feedback session. It shows details such as how many students are participating, the number of feedback suggestions given, and which feedback items are visible to your students.